Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Staking channel. So many of you enthusiasts have probably heard of this odd technique before, but never tried yourself if it works. So my GPU is dead. Somehow while transporting it from location to location, it just stopped working. No image on screen after powering on. I tried another PC, it's the same problem. We're talking here about RX 570 8GB. I heard that some people solve problem by baking GPU in oven, so I wanted to share my experience with you. Um, Basically what this does is that it remelts all the soldering part on the card, which fixes the micro cracks when it cools down. The PCB has a lot higher melting point than a solder, and the short 10 minutes isn't enough to melt the plastic bits such as display ports, etc. I should warn you not to bake in oven where you prepare food every day. There are possible dangerous materials that can poison your food later. So you will need that GPU, oven that can bake on 200 degrees, screwdriver, and optional some vegetables and white wine. Okay, this is a GPU. I started by disassembling all parts and leaving only board. That was 5 minutes work and you will need only screwdriver. Just be careful about thermal paste to clean and later put a new one. Okay, wait a few minutes for oven to heat up and insert the GPU inside. Bake it from 8 to 10 minutes on 200 degrees. After that, turn off the oven, wait a minute and open. Then still wait about 10 minutes for GPU to cool down. That's it. Assemble everything back as before and don't forget thermal paste. And don't forget, don't use that oven anymore for cooking food. For me, sadly, this didn't work. Next step is to offer my dead GPU for parts. Better to take a few bucks than nothing, I guess. Thank you for watching.